You are enjoying a good game of pinball. You are hitting really good shots and about to hit a high score when suddenly something malfunctions. That part of the machine isn't working anymore. Turning the machine off and on and starting a game did not help. It is most likely that a part of the game blew a fuse. Pinball machines provide protection in case of a malfunction. Whether it is electromechanical or solid state, we need to interrupt the circuit so it doesn't destroy components. Manufacturers put fuses in many parts of the games to ensure safety and avoid electrical damage. And in newer machines, they will tell you which one has blown. Most of these fuses are placed on the driver board in dot matrix in late alphanumeric display games. Others you will find them either on a power supply board, a dedicated power block, or even underneath the playfield. All pinball machines use a fuse type known as the cartridge fuse. Their body consists of a circular glass, a piece of metal inside, and conducting metal ends. Most of them use larger versions, and there are others that use smaller ones. The larger fuses are 1.4 inches long or 6.3 by 32 millimeters. They are commonly called 3AG series fuses. The smaller fuses used in newer Williams and Bally dot matrix games have a body that's 5 by 20 millimeters. They do not have a common series name other than being called a 5 by 20 millimeter fuse. Replacing the fuse is easy. You can use a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry one end off, then pull the entire fuse off the holder. Or use a tool from a hardware or automotive store to remove it. I strongly recommend using the tool that lets you turn and pull the fuse straight out of the holder. Any other tool used can damage neighboring fuse holders. If the fuse holder is damaged, it can cross a dangerous voltage over a circuit and damage or destroy electronic components. Replace the blown fuse with an exact rating and type. For example, if you pull off a 2 amp slow blow fuse, replace it with a new 2 amp slow blow fuse. If the fuse doesn't blow again, then it was just an odd malfunction. But if it does, seek a trained technician. Never put in overrated fuses. The correct rating of fuses are there for many reasons, including protecting vital components. But if an overrated fuse is installed, you will expect disastrous results. Underrated fuse will blow when the circuit is functioning properly. Also, you do have to put the correct fuse type. If you put in a fast-acting fuse in a circuit that requires a slow blow fuse, it may blow under normal conditions. If you put in a slow blow fuse in a circuit that requires a fast-acting fuse, the vital components will be destroyed as the fuse takes its time to blow out. Most home-use only games use circuit breakers to interrupt the circuits. You can try resetting it, but if it trips again, seek a trained technician. There are reference charts that you can look at if you think a wrong fuse is in the fuse holder, or if you don't know which fuse belongs to. Many manufacturers tell next to them what rating is required. If you are unsure, seek a trained technician. This helpful tip is brought to you by Dan's Pinball Repair Services in the Chicagoland area. You can visit my website on Facebook and also here.